How to tie the Plattsburgh knot. So grab your tie, put it around your neck with the seam side facing forward and the wide end on the left. Form an extra through tie, the wide side going underneath. Bring the wide end up and into the hole you formed with the X. Pull that down and bring it to the left side. Bring that back into the hole formed with the X. Pull that down again. And bring that to the right side. Now you're going to cross over the front with the wide side. I tuck my finger in here to make it easier to grab. And then bring the wide end up the hole you formed with the X. You can grab the end of the wide end here and pull it down to tighten your knot. And then you can cinch that up to your collar. And there is the Plattsburgh knot. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.